This is what my Japanese toddler eat in a day. She just turned 2. Today, she is having simple Japanese meals like tiny rice bowls, udon, miso soup, and natto. I'm a Japanese nutritionist and I love making simple meals that support gut health. Let's start with breakfast. This is what my 2-year-old is having for breakfast today.
よかった。
I start by making a quick miso soup. I'm adding some frozen mushrooms I prepared earlier. Mushrooms are great for gut health, and my daughter loves them. Then I make a small tamagoyaki, a Japanese rolled omelet. I make it slightly sweet so it's easier for toddlers to enjoy. I'm also serving some okra and cherry tomatoes. I'm also cutting up some strawberries. I reheat some frozen rice. Then, use this little rice bowl maker I found at the Japanese 100 yen shop to make tiny rice bowls. You just shake it and they come out like this. And here is her breakfast. Tiny rice bowls,
どうぞ。
tamagoyaki,
どうぞ。
okra, cherry tomatoes,
味噌汁もあるよ。
strawberries,
あなたお味噌
miso
汁もあ
soup,
るよ。よいしょ。いいね。お味噌汁もあるし。
and some water. These tiny rice bowls are perfect for toddlers because they are easy to eat in one bite. Miso is a fermented food that may help support gut health. The tamagoyaki is also easy for little hands to hold. She loves these real rice bowls.
くれたの。
After breakfast, we head outside to play. Between breakfast and lunch, she usually has a small snack. Today, it's a banana. In the morning, I often offer fruits because it feels light and easy to digest.
そうです。
For lunch, I'm making a simple chicken and a mushroom udon, a Japanese noodle soup. I start by bringing some noodle soup base and water to a boil. Then I added some frozen chicken and frozen mushrooms. I like to slice and freeze mushroom myself. Freezing them can actually help bring out more flavor and makes them really convenient to use. While that cooks, I give her some vegetables to snack on. Today, she is having cucumber and a carrot stick with a little flaxseed oil. Carrot contain vitamin A, which is fat-soluble, so pairing them with healthy fat may help absorption.
Good job, Aina.
Once the chicken is cooked, I added some frozen udon noodles. They cook in about a minute, and the udon is ready. Udon noodles are soft and easy for toddlers to eat. After serving, I cut the noodles with kitchen scissors to make them easier and safer for my toddler to eat. My kids also love adding ice cubes to cool the soup down before eating.
そうです。これです。
And lunch is ready.
はい、どうぞくる。どうぞ。わ
She loves udon noodles.
ー。おいしいね。おいしいね。
She's also having some iced rooibos tea. Do your toddlers like noodles too?
おお。いいね。いいね。
After her afternoon nap, she has another snack. Today, it's roasted sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and may help support gut health. For afternoon snacks, I usually try to offer something more nourishing rather than just sweet. In Japan, we sometimes think of toddler snacks as their small extra meals to help fill nutritional gap between meals.
おいしい。
For dinner, we are having a simple Japanese home-style meal. Miso salmon cooked in oil, natto, steamed broccoli, mushroom miso soup, and rice. First, I cook some rice with barley to add the extra fiber. I also steam some broccoli with just a little water. I prefer steaming instead of boiling to help retain more vitamin C. Then I make miso salmon oil packet. I place salmon, mushrooms, miso sauce, and a little butter into a oil and steam everything together. I also have a full recipe for this miso salmon on my channel. If you'd like to try it. I made some tiny rice balls again for dinner. Natto is fermented soybeans, and surprisingly, a lot of Japanese kids enjoy it. Natto and miso soup are fermented foods that may help support gut health. I usually let everything cool down a little before serving, so it's easier for my toddler to eat. And the dinner is ready. She absolutely loves natto.
すごいね。
She loves miso soup too.
わー、アイナちゃん。Good.
On weekdays, my husband usually comes home late, so most dinners are just me and the kids. My toddler still needs a lot of help doing meals, so dinner time can get pretty busy.
あー、どうしちゃった。あー、落ちちゃった。あー、OK。あー、わー、上手。いい。わー。すごい、アイナちゃん。わー、上手。
More natto, please! And that's what my Japanese toddler ate today. Japanese meals often include rice, fish, vegetables, and fermented foods like miso and natto. I try to keep our meals simple, balanced, and gut-friendly. Do your toddlers eat natto too? Let me know in the comment. If you are interested, I will link the miso salmon recipe below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.